Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a cute and colorful house.
Yay!
So let's start drawing together.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's start with the small house on top. Draw a triangle roof first. Great job. Now, draw a rectangle wall right below it. Let's add a balcony under the small house. Then, draw two cute windows, one on each side. Time to draw the main roof of our house. Make it a big triangle so it looks strong and cozy. Now draw a chimney on one side of the roof. Perfect! Draw the main wall of the house, a big rectangle. Then draw a door in the middle so people can go inside. Don't forget to draw stairs in front of the door. Now add two windows beside the door so the house looks happy. Add a curvy line to show the green grass. Now draw some fluffy clouds in the sky. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's color time. Show your color pens. We'll use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. And pink color. That looks so bright and beautiful! Wow! You all did such an amazing job drawing this cute little house. If you had fun, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.
Yay!
See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub for another fun drawing adventure.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.